Hi friends, again welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Guys. In the previous video, we have inserted image in our web page and we have used some of the self-closing tag. Now our website looks too much simple and I can't click on about Elon Musk. To do this, there must be a HTML tag that we can use for that, right? Yes, there is. It's called an anchor tag. So an anchor tag is very easy. Just an A. And an anchor tag has something called harp, which is an attribute and it's the hypertext reference. So in this harp, we will be able to link something. Let's close the A tag, and an A tag has opening and closing tag. And if I save this and refresh this page, well, nothing happens because we need something in the anchor tag. So let's write new page. Again save it and refresh. Now we have new page here. If I click this, nothing happens, but you can see that it has link and the cursor changes into pointer. So it's clickable, but nothing happens. Well, that's because we need to specify where we want the link to go. Now let's think about this. If we want to a new page, but we don't really have another new page. If you remember, we only have index.html. So let's create another web page. Go to VS Code, click on new file, write the name of the file and don't forget to use .html extension. Now write HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag. Inside title tag, I am writing my new page. Then use body tag. Let's write a heading by using h1 tag. Give the heading and save it. Now let's back to our index.html file. Inside the harp attribute, let's give the location of the new page. We have saved this both file in the same folder. So write the name of the file and don't forget to use .html extension. Save it and refresh the browser. Now click on new page. Awesome! This is our new page. But to go back, we have to press back symbol. So let's link back to our original file again. So let's go to our new page file. We can do this by p tag, which is for paragraph. I'm going to say go back. But we have to link this text. So add anchor tag before the p tag. Use the harp attribute and provide the location of the file. Our file is index.html. Now save it and refresh the browser. Now click on go back. Awesome, that's worked properly. Now let's end this here. In the next video, we will insert audio and video in our web page. I hope you should understand the things which I taught. Friends, if you have any doubt or problem related to tech, please comment down. Support us and suggest if there is any issue in my voice or video. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.